welcome back to my channel. This is Tech Past Now and the Future, and I want to say hi to everyone. Very long time that I've been on a screen like this. You all know that aside YouTubing, I have a daily job that I do, which is trying to go out there and make ends meet for my family too, outside doing YouTube. So you will pardon me if I don't do this often most times, but I try as much as possible to always drop content for you on a day-to-day so that you keep make sure that everything is up to date for each and every one of you. So first of all, I want to thank every one of you. You saw my video where I dropped a short deal for an MDX, and you also that the lucky buyer came to pick it up. So today I'm excited to do this video. This video is something different from what's it called, automobile. This is about my tech. So you all know that as the channel is growing, I try as much as possible to equip myself with the latest gadgets and all, and because of this I'm going to be using the opportunity to do a small review, and this was made possible with each and every one of you, your support and all, everything you have done for this channel so far. I took this channel very serious in the month of August last year, and in less than 4 months I was able to in less than 4 months I was able to monetize the station, and since then you guys have been showing me nothing but love. So I want to thank each and every one of you, and I say I'm highly blessed and appreciated. So why are we here today? So you can see this package just arrived, but I'm going to be doing it in different reviews. So first of all, yes, I did it. I got it. Irrespective of the fact that I criticized Apple, I ended up buying the Apple AirPod Max Type-C. And I'll tell you why, but this is not in this video, so let's put this one aside. We'll do this video of this one separate. So the main reason why we're here is this. This is the reason why. You can see it. Let me show you so that you see it. The S25 Ultra. So you can see it. This is the 512 version. It just came from the United States. I try as much as possible to place my orders online. So both of them just came last night, and I decided to do the video this morning. Now you might be wondering, why am I buying an S25 Ultra? You all know that I'm using a 15 Pro Max for my YouTube channel, and one of the downside is that when I go out to shoot, after shooting like 4 or 5, 6 videos, lengthy videos, the battery tends to run down, and I'm not the type that likes using power bank, and this has always plagued me. So because of that, I already told myself that I was going to get another phone, so it will be a backup for me. So anything you see me do, I do it because of you all. I do it for the love of you all. You all know that I'm a lover of technology. I'm a lover of gadgets. and I'm a lover of automobile. So that's why I chose to buy this as a backup. So it's clearly stated S25 Ultra 512. So in order not to waste time, let's do the honors. I'm peeling it off, so let me peel it off. So you see it. Here we go. Let's unzip this baby. You can see it as a zipper. You can see me unzipping that here. That's one. As a zipper. This wouldn't have been possible if not for you all. And I want to tell each and every one of you, for anybody out there that is contemplating if I should start a YouTube channel or not, please start. This is not from my salary. I bought this practically with the YouTube money. The money I'm generating from my channel. So I didn't use 1 naira of my money. And it is all possible because of each and every one of you. How much did I get this? So the 512, I paid $1,400. That's what I paid to get this. So you can see it. You can see it. You can see it, guys. There's it. See it. And it's glowy. Wow. S25 Auto, brand new. See it. Wow. So let's put this aside. Let's look at what came in the box. Let's take this out and let's see. So we have this. So what's inside? You all know that these days. So we have the Type-C cable and the pamphlet. That's a SIM injector tool and a quick guide, quick start guide. Other than that, nothing more. So let's put this aside, and you can see nothing more, nothing less. So this is it. This is the phone, titanium black. So let's bring it out. Wow. Wow, guys. Wow. Smells brand new. So this is the S25 Ultra, titanium black, very, very light. So let me quickly pause the video and let me put the screen guard. But before then, let me show you the screen guard. So this is the pouch that came with the pouch, the official pouch. This is the official pouch I'm going to be showing you. I bought this one approximately 75,000 naira. See it? The clear view pouch. I'll show you. But this is the screen guard. This one, I bought this one 8,500 naira. So let me just quickly put on the screen, pause the video, put on the screen guard, and we'll continue from there. So I'm back. So let me take off the peel. You can see it. So this is the peel. Let's take it off. Very satisfying. Wow. very satisfying. You can see it. So let me put the screen guard. So I've placed the screen guard. You can see it. Screen guard is properly fixed. I fixed in the screen guard myself. This is the S pen. This is the S pen. So let's put it on for the first time. So let's power it on. Let's experience it together. That's it. You can see it. Powered by Samsung Galaxy S25 Android. Very light compared to S24. Very light. So English, start. Let's hit start. I've not inserted my SIM, so I'm just putting so agree to all policy, agree to all policy, agree. Basically about the S25 Ultra. It is one, look at, you see the camera, everything about it is so great and so sleek. Comes with the Type C, you can see the Type C, titanium frame. I see the titanium frame, and everything is just the way it is. So everything is perfect. You can see it. So let me just key in my information. So this will be my backup phone. Like I said, I bought it 1,400. I wanted to go for the S24 Ultra because I liked the design more of the S24 Ultra, but I told myself, no, let me go for the modern one because of the battery health and all. So it will make a whole lot of sense having the latest and the modern phone because of the Snapdragon Elite Gen 3 processor that is in it. So I just told myself, go for the S25 Ultra. It will be best you go for that because you owe it as a service to your subscribers to give them nothing but the best. So let me just show you the case, the pouch. There's the pouch. You can see clear view pouch, clear view pouch, clear view pouch. So this is the official pouch that I'll be using for it. You can see it well sealed. 75,000 naira. To show you what Nigeria has become. It's 75,000 naira for a pouch. And all this, I made it from my channel. So it's not that I paid for it now. So there's it. That's it. So let's just put the phone in there. That's it. In order not to waste time. So that's it. Properly in place. No qualm. S25 Ultra. So for those of you that are out there, why am I doing this video? To inspire you, to set your mind to do whatever your heart desire. Do not wait. Do not procrastinate. But go out there and be the best version you can choose to be. I will always say, everything in life is not for free. But there is joy in the derivation of working harder and also working smart. I'll be using this to bring great good contents for each and every one of you. And if you have any question, subscribe, like, share, drop your questions. You all know I'm always here to support each and every one of you. Without me, there will be no you. It's just a quick unboxing of my S25 Ultra. I'll be doing a separate video of why I ended up going for this, despite I criticized Apple. But I'll tell you why in the future when I do the unboxing. So thank you once again, and until I see you all know. Bye-bye.